'twas on Good Friday morning, all in the month of May. A German ship was signalling beyond out in the bay, with 20,000 rifles all ready for to land. But no answering signal came from the lonely Bannockstrand. No answering signal from the shore, Sir Roger sadly said. No comrades here to welcome me, alas, they must be dead. But I must do my duty, and at once I mean to land. So in a boat they pull ashore to the lonely Bannockstrand. They are, I see, were searching for Sir Roger high and low. They found him in McKenna's fort, said they, "Oh, are our foe." Says he, "I'm Roger Casement, I came to my native land. I mean to free my countrymen on the lonely Bannockstrand." They took Sir Roger prisoner and sailed for London town. And in the Tower they laid him as a traitor to the crown. Says he, "I am no traitor, but his trial he had to stand for bringing German rifles to the lonely Bannockstrand." 'Twas in an English guardhouse that they led him to his death. "I'm dying for my country," he said with his last breath. They buried him in Brixton soil, far from his native land. Oh, the wild wife sing his requiem on the lonely Bannockstrand.